Welcome to Millennium Computer's fast online tutorials for purchasing card. There are 3 steps when setting up departments, and in this tutorial I will show you the second, how to assign users to a department. These are the users I am assigning to the gyms department. I am going to make more room by hiding the fast header at the top, and I can do that by clicking this arrow at the end of the title bar. If you just added a new department and want to assign users to it, you must get the Add button to display on the page, and the Add button displays only when no departments are listed. Because I just added the gyms department in the previous tutorial, I know there are no users assigned to it and will use it as a filter. For this type of filter control, you can click the green plus icon to open the list, or click inside the box, which is what I will do. Click the button below the filter options to execute the report. There are no departments listed, and the Add button does display at the bottom. To search for the user you are assigning the department to, click the icon that looks like the magnifying glass. Type the full name or ID or part of it, click Search, and then select the user. To assign the user to the gyms department, you must click the large green plus icon. You can search for and assign more users to the gyms department. Before users are actually assigned to the department, you must click Save. If you just close, the users will not be assigned to the department. These users, Test 4, 5, and 6, are now assigned to the gyms department. If you want a user to have read-only access to the accounts assigned to the department, select the read-only checkbox. I have to reopen the report options, and there are 3 ways to do it. At the bottom of the page, click the Show Report Options icon. At the top right, click the Show Options button, or click anywhere on the Report Options title bar, which is what I'll do. If you have an employee who is a new account holder and needs to be assigned to several departments, you can do it a bit differently. First, clear the existing filter options. There are 2 ways to use this type of filter control. Click the search icon to find the account holder, or click into the box and type the username. It has to be the exact name though, and then press Enter on your keyboard or click the green icon to add it as a filter. Click Execute to run the report. And because this user has no departments assigned to it, the Add New button displays. I want to assign the gyms department to Test 7, so we'll find it in the list and then click the large green plus sign to add it. I'll make sure to click Save before I close this form. And now 4 users are assigned to the gyms department. In the future, if you ever want to add additional departments, just filter on the user or account holder, and then in the list, click the account holder name to open the form. In this tutorial, I assigned 4 users to the gyms department, Test 4, 5, 6, and 7. However, now departments need to be added to the accounts, which is covered in the next tutorial for Step 3. If you have a user who is not an account holder, but needs to administer or view other users' accounts, you can do this by, number 1, assigning them the portal_PCard role, or the portal_PCard_USR role, and number 2, assigning the user to a department. Keep in mind the grouping hierarchy in which departments roll up to other departments. You also have the option to set the department for the user as read-only.